Welcome. If you've ever scrolled through your Instagram feed and liked a bunch of posts, only to realize you want to clean up your likes, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to unlike your liked posts on the Instagram app for PC using the latest update. Follow along step by step, and you'll have your Instagram likes organized in no time. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your activity and settings. Next, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu there. Click on it to expand your options. This is where you'll find everything you need to manage your account. From the menu, find and click on Your Activity. This section is designed to help you keep track of everything you do on Instagram. Once you're in, look for the Interactions section. Click on it to continue. Now, you'll see a list of different interactions you've had, like comments, story replies, and more. What you want is likes. Click on Likes, and you'll see all the posts you've ever liked on Instagram, neatly organized for you. To start unliking posts, click on the Select button. This allows you to choose multiple posts at once, making the process much faster. Go through the list and select all the posts you want to unlike. You can pick as many as you like. Once you've made your selections, look for the Unlike option. Click on it, and Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. This is just to make sure you really want to remove your likes from these posts. Confirm the step, and just like that, your selected posts will be unliked. You've successfully cleaned up your Instagram likes using the new update on the PC app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks on managing your social media accounts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.